What's real estate in 2022 look like for the Emerald Coast? Stick around, I'm going to tell you the future. Sorry to bust your bubble, the market's not going to crash in 2022, and the housing bubble is not going to burst. Here's the thing. If prices were to drop about 20%, that would take us back to February of 2021 prices. If it were to correct about 50%, that would take us back to late 2015 prices. So don't worry.
Procedure, everyone. What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Second prediction of 2022 is that we may see anywhere from a 10 to 12% increase within the first and second quarter of the year. Now, a lot of this is driven by the lack of inventory, builder delays for new construction, lower interest rates, and also people moving south and more specifically into the Emerald Coast area. The two types of buyers that this will impact the most are those who are purchasing for the first time and those who are looking to do their first move up. These are home buyers who already own their first home and are looking to move up for the first time. Here's a quick recap of what happened over the last 2 years. In 2020, the average sales price was just over $569,000. In 2021, the average sales price was $689,000. That's an increase of just over 21%. However, when looking at the median sales price in 2020, it was $325,000 versus 2021, which was $375,000. That's an increase of 15%. With that being said, I do believe that in the latter portion of 2022, we will not continue to see as aggressive appreciation as we were in the previous 12 months. I think we'll continue to see rates go up, however, at a much more manageable rate. The reason for this is because of rising interest rates, changes in monetary policy, tax implications for owners, and restrictions regarding non-resident owners. In the past year, we've seen 20 to 25% of all real estate transactions completed by non-resident owners. Now, before you start to equate these non-resident homeowners to foreign buyers, a majority of these transactions were actually completed by locals who were purchasing their first, second, or third investment property. So my final prediction is that we'll see a 15% increase in the prices of rentals. This is heavily influenced by the net immigration into the area, people desperately trying to get back to their new normal, and also construction delays due to lack of supplies. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. Till next time.